Hello guys, how are you doing? I am Daddy the Guitarist, a composer, a songwriter, and most of all, I love music. So guys, why are we here? We are here because I want to share with you some of the knowledge I have learned and I have gathered all throughout the years I've been playing this instrument. And what is this knowledge? This knowledge is all about rhythm guitar. That is what I want us to talk about. That is what I want to teach about. Rhythm guitar, African guitar. Alright guys, so throughout all these videos, all these tutorials that I'm going to do, I will always be using the Swahili language. Jambo, habari zenu. Kwa hivyo nilikuwa nasema nitakuwa natumia lugha ya Kiswahili sana sana kwa sababu ile gitaa naenda kufunza ni gitaa ya Kiafrika. It's an African guitar. Sasa nitakuwa natumia lugha ya Kiswahili kufunza nayo so that tutarelate nayo. Kwa sababu gitaa yenyewe si ya Kiafrika tu, rhythm guitar Kiafrika. So wase, acha tuanze. Content zetu zitakuwa hivi. Hii silabasi itakuwa hivi. Table of contents. Day 1, ambayo ni leo, introduction. Sawa. Definition of African guitar. Categories of African guitar. Then the subgenres of African guitar. Then rhythm guitar. Definition of rhythm. Types of rhythm. Explanation of these types of rhythm. Explanation of the types of rhythm. That is day 1. Alright. Day 2, we are going to learn the shapes. After all that introduction, day 1, so day 2 sasa tutaanza sasa kukalia hizi vitu. Beginners, you know the shapes. Okay? The 6 shapes of rhythm. That is day 2. Day 3, we are going to start learning how to use those 6 shapes. After sasa nimeshawa introduce kwa hizo shapes 6. Sasa siku ya 3 ndawafunza kuzitumia hizo shapes 6. Okay? Day 4, tajifunza kucheza your first 7 and your first rumba ama your first rhythm. Tajifunza kucheza your first rhythm. Let me just put it that way. Okay? That is module 1. Alright? I'm going to tell you what this module 1 is based on. Nitawaambia ile kitu hii module 1 inasimamia. Okay? Ni rhythm gani module 1 tutakuwa tunasoma kwa hii module 1 nitawaambia. Then in the second module nitawaambia tukifika huko. Sasa, so for now I want us to focus on day 1. Alright?